This is the tutorial to how to make a peer group using all the filter options that are applicable in the Pipeline Performance Report Company Data tab. One of the filters that is useful for making a peer group is the length category, where you can view the licensees that have a certain length of pipeline. So I'm going to select licensees between 1,000 and 5,000 kilometers to make a peer group. So below is the listing of all the licensees that are between 1,000 and 5,000 kilometers that had an incident. If you want to view all the licensees, even those that did not have an incident, you must put 0 in here. And please also ensure that NA is selected under pipeline incident type. And when you view this, you'll see licensees displayed that have 0 incidents. You can also customize the length by using this filter here. If I want to view licensees that are between 1,000 and 3,000 kilometers, for example. And then we can also filter the licensees by their production. So I will select licensees that have over a million BOE a year. Then we can also filter by the type of material. So I'll select just companies with steel. And oil well effluent for the pipeline substance category. And based off all those filter selections, this is the licensee group that I'm left with and their respective lengths and incidents